Thursday, December the 17th, 1903, news came clattering across the world's wire machines that two brothers from Dayton in Ohio had flown a curious-looking air machine over the beach at Kitty Hawk in North Carolina for more than a minute. And if anyone was skeptical about the claim, these pictures were to prove it was true. For several years at the turn of the century, dozens of groups in Europe and America had been trying to get a flying machine to work. But defying gravity wasn't proving easy. Nevertheless, Wilbur and Orville Wright, after a long period of trial and error, found a formula that seemed to work. The problem they and everyone else had faced was how to generate enough power to get the machine off the ground and to keep it going once it was up in a stable and steady flight. The Wrights had developed a lightweight 25 horsepower engine which provided a much higher power to weight ratio than anything that had gone before. With this and a little help on the launch site from a heavy lead weight, they were airborne and away. This dramatically successful flight was the result of several years of secret work by the Wrights, using models in a wind tunnel near their home. Only the most far-sighted and enthusiastic believed at the time that what the brothers were doing would have any lasting significance. But what they just witnessed was the start of a transport revolution. From now on, the world was to become in many ways a much smaller place.
Hello, my name is Tolga. You watched the first aviators to fly like a bird. So, do you want to know how they are doing flight? Do you think that before? Yes. The Wright brothers thought that in 1903. Wilbur and Orville Wright were as inventors, builders, and flyers. Flown by them Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, December 17th, 1903. Do you know how to fly the aircraft? The body of the plane is called the fuselage. It is generally a long tube shape. The wheels of the plane are called landing. There are two main wheels on either side of the plane fuselage. Then, there is one more wheel near the front of the plane. The brakes for the wheels are like the brakes for cars. They are operated by pedals, one for each wheel. Most landing gear can be folded into the fuselage during the flight and open for landing. The wing process the upward lift for the airplane. The shape of the wings determines how fast and high the plane can fly. A cut through the wing from front to back is called an airfoil. The ailerons are hinged on the wings and Move downward to push the air down and make the wing tilt up. This moves the plane to the side and helps it turn during flight. After landing, the spoilers are used like air brakes to reduce any remaining lift and slow down the airplane. The tail at the rear of the plane provides stability. The fin is vertical part of the tail. The rudder at the back of the plane moves left and right to control the left or right movement of the plane. The elevators are found at the rear of the plane. They can be raised or lowered to change the direction of the plane's nose. The plane will go up or down depending on the direction of that elevator's arm. How does a plane fly? Let's pretend that our arms are wings. If we place one wing down and one wing up, we can use the roll to change the direction of that plane. We are helping to turn the plane by yawing toward one side. If we raise our nose, like a pilot can raise the nose of the plane, we are raising the pitch of the plane. All the dimensions together combine to control the flight of the plane. A pilot of a plane has special controls that can be used to fly the plane. Are levers and buttons that the pilot can push to change the yaw, pitch, and roll of the plane. Aircraft usually land at an airport, generally constructed of asphalt, concrete, gravel, or grass. Landing is accomplished by slowing down and descending to the runway. If you want to fly like a bird, you have to become a pilot. Have a good flight.